Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to mastering crime detection and investigation. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Crime detection and investigation. 10 review questions, Set 6A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Eavesdropping the crime scene means: A. Extend the estimate of the scene. B. Search physical evidence at the scene. C. Playing the role of a curious spectator and mix with the crowd to listen to their conversation. D. None of the above. Criminal investigative activities virtually deals with: A. Recognition and collection of facts which may be sensory, documentary, and physical forms. B. Preservation and evaluation of information gathered from the regular, cultivated and grapevine sources. C. Persons and things. D. A and B only. Crimes involving destruction of life, except: A. Mutilation, serious physical injuries and rape. B. Duel, abortion, and infanticide. C. Homicide and murder. D. Parricide. Mario killed his adopter after the rendition of judgment of the petition for adoption. What was the crime committed by Mario? A. Parricide. B. Murder. C. Homicide. D. None of the above. Principles in homicide investigation that should be borne in mind are: mistakes of the homicide investigator cannot be corrected, and the homicide investigator should not cross the three bridges which he burns behind him. Which of the following is not one of this so-called burned bridge? A. When the dead person has been moved. B. When the dead body has been embalmed. C. When the dead body has been contaminated and the chain of custody was not properly accounted. D. When the body is burned or cremated. Considered to be the beginning of any homicide investigation is: A. Process of establishing the accurate cause of death. B. Process of determining who is responsible for the death. C. Process of determining how the victim was killed. D. Process of determining when the victim was killed. In a case of dead person, when autopsy should be performed: A. Death has been caused by violence. B. At once when there is the slightest reason to suspect the probability of homicide. C. Upon the request of the dead person's family. D. In all cases involving death. Which of the following is the primary role of the investigator upon arrival at the homicide scene? A. Verification of death. B. Identification of the person who is responsible for the death. C. Call a physician for the proper declaration of death. D. All of the above. Legally, when does death considered to have occurred? A. Respiratory system is no longer performing within the body. B. Cardiac activity is no longer performing within the body. C. Central nervous system activity is no longer performing within the body. D. All of the above. You were a police officer responded in a violent crime just recently occurred. How would you determine signs of death? A. By detecting signs of breathing and respiratory movement. B. By hearing heart sounds. C. By applying pressure in the fingernails of a person. D. Any of the above. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.